Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Yes. If everyone doesn't know, Kriti, for the movie Saira, actually I should say, right? I should say Saira. For the movie, बहुत practice करी है, बहुत learning किया है हमने. So for the movie Rafta, which is definitely releasing, it's releasing on the 9th of June. So of course everyone will go and watch that. But let's unfold all the secrets. कि क्या सीखना पड़ा आपको? पापड़ नहीं बेलने पड़े, chocolate बनाना था. So tell me, how was your experience about chocolate?
So I sort of I'm someone who does not like cooking. तो जब मुझे पता चला कि मुझे चॉकलेट बनानी है और मुझे चॉकलेट बनाना सीखना है, तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रही थी कि वो गॉड कैसे होंगी ये क्लासेस. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun. I think doing everything. And to my surprise, Rakhi told me on the first session that your hand moves well. You know, you get the groove of it. And the best thing about chocolate making is that you're surrounded with the chocolate smell, which keeps you going all the time. And it's fascinating to see how these different wonderful chocolates and what kinds of chocolates are there. Because मेरा जो character है, वो एक chocolate shop चलाती है, Saira. Chocolates बनाती है. We even have montages of shots of me making chocolate in my chocolate shop. And Saira को मैंने थोड़ा सा जो पुराने स्टाइल्स और पुरानी चीज़ें पसंद करती है मेरे दिमाग में ट्रेडिशनल मेरे दिमाग में ये बैक स्टोरी थी क्योंकि she has inherited the chocolate shop from one of her aunts and वो chocolate shop भी जो है वो थोड़ी ट्रेडिशनल दिखती है उसके तरीके जो हैं वो थोड़ी ट्रेडिशनल हैं. But I think I really enjoyed the whole process, which is what makes all the difference. And to look like someone who makes chocolates, we had to go through a lot.
So tell me, how was your experience pilot?
It was very good, and I love. She teaches like a बच्चा, बच्चे को जैसे सिखा रहे छोटी details, and she used to tell me like every small detail about the kinds of chocolates and what you're making, what is the difference between one and the other.
Question coming up with kind of chocolate. ये technical question है, मैं test करना चाहती हूँ मेरी student कितनी अच्छी है. So tell me, what are the kinds of chocolates?
So there's compound chocolate and there's quarter chocolate.
Okay, so what is compound and what is quarter? देख रहे हैं
like an exam
हो रही है. Yes, of course. ये exam आपको pass करना है क्योंकि मैं fail हो जाऊँगी.
Yeah, so the compound chocolate is basically the run-of-the-mill, the generic chocolate that we all have. It is made up of cocoa and fats and other stuff. It does not require tempering. Now tempering is something that जो pure chocolate होती है उसको melt करके एक temperature तक which is about 42 degrees तक लेके जाना होता है. Then you cool it down to about 32 degrees approximately. And that's when it sets. That's the setting temperature.
But did you do this technique? I don't think so.
Not there. So the compound chocolate is easier to handle because it does not require tempering. मैं layman language में अगर बोलूँ तो आप बहुत बार एक chocolate कोई खाते हैं जो छूने से ही almost melt हो जाती है. So that's more pure. That's made out of cocoa beans. And the compound chocolate has fats and other things
more color and everything.
Yeah.
But जो pure chocolate होता है उसमें cocoa solids ज़्यादा होता है, which is made from the bean, so the percentage भी दिया जाता है. So when Kriti came, we worked with 63. No, you can go up to 80, 90. But when Kriti came to me, there was this challenge. When Saira is inheriting this shop, जो उसके aunt का है और ये बहुत traditional shop है. So अगर हम लोग technically modern way में अगर chocolate tempering करते हैं, you need a tempering machine, आपको laser gun चाहिए होता है to see the temperature. हम temperature देखते हैं chocolate का, which she didn't learn, and she learned it the traditional way, जो सिर्फ touch or
I'm actually going to do tempering in front of you guys, so you guys know how it's going to be. But tempering मेरा जो favorite part था chocolate making का वो था. और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था टेम्परिंग करने में. I think you will see the smile on my face when I'm doing it in front of you. It's even shown as a film. I don't know in a lot of montages, there's one montage where me and Sushant are actually taking the doing templing, and he's holding my hand and he's making a mess out of it. But
better over there.
yeah.
So that's one well-answered question. Kelly, when you went back after training, she took around कितने classes लिया आपने?
I think 5 classes, including one that brush-up class that we had at the end.
हाँ, to check. She wanted to be like a nice one. Said, can you please test me?
I actually want to brag about something because I learned it so well here.
Yes.
When I went to Budapest, they got one trainer there as well.
Yes.
One instructor there. And they said कि यार वो सीन करना है तो आप एक बार जाके ना थोड़ा brush up. And I went there, and trust me, I did everything on my own, and she was surprised, and she was like, "You don't
Thank
need
you
me."
so much. That feels great. I'm elated and on top of the world. I remember when you met me back over here in Mumbai, you told me this. It was like the best.
And she was so sweet because when I was in Budapest, she used to message me, "How's it going? Did the chocolate making happen? How did those scenes go? What all did you do?" So she was more enthusiastic about it than even I was.
Yes, I was.
I think this needs to be heated up once more.
Okay, so the student has learned really well. So the we are going to show the tempering of the chocolate. हम थोड़े couples भी बनाने वाले हैं, right?
So going on the traditional way and going as Saira, I have to take off all the rings that I'm wearing. You cannot be wearing all this when you're cooking, especially. And deliberately, I've had my hair back because she would have scolded me.
स्प्रेडिंग इट ताकि वो अच्छे से कूल डाउन हो जाए, एंड जैसे ही वो थिक होने लगता है, लुक शी इज वर्किंग लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल, एंड वो थिक होने लगेगा. यस,
the last one.
Yes, I know. So she's already understood it. Where are you going to check and tell them?
I will just
What's your checking point? Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it here.
Yeah. So this is your most sensitive part, as you see, and the lip. So do you wanna try? You try it?
Yeah. I almost like it.
Okay. So there you go. So because ये हमारा sensitive part है, this is how she learned. आप देख सकते हैं chocolate thick हो गया, so she could recognize without me even taking the temperature that ये setting point पे आ चुका है. So then this chocolate can now go into mold. Good job. देख सकते हैं आप, हमारी student ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
And as you say, not waste the chocolate. It's one of the scenes in my intro basically, where I'm making chocolate, and it just gives you a nice Saira vibe, I would say. That making chocolates, and I tempered in the first, in the intro.
So this is done. Let's make the bars.
I think that you can do with chocolate to just make it a little bit, to just add a little yumminess to it. You just take the liquid chocolate and you add whatever you want to add in it. If you like fruits, you can add fruit, you can add marshmallows, you can add some nuts. So you can make a mixture of a nice bar which has a lot of goodies in it.
So guys, we're making a smaller version and showing you. हमने जब ऐसे बनाए थे rustic bars, you remember? हमने tray में बनाए थे rustic bars.
ये भाई नीचे करना है.
ये सारे hand molded chocolates हैं जो बनाए हैं हमने. Remember? We didn't make anything in shells and all. So the shop is very traditional. तो सारे rustic चीजें बनाई हैं.
We actually made some bonbons as well.
Yes, yes.
We made truffles, we made bonbons.
Tap, tap, tap. They need to see the colors what Saira is bringing onto the chocolate. You see, तो Saira के लिए कैसे बनाते हैं?
I think enough. Because if I add too much, it will become like a mess. Maybe 1 to
Please, हाँ, please करके nicely. So जो gaps है, perfect.
Should we tap it again?
Yeah, थोड़ा. अब इसको हम set करेंगे. fridge हमारे पास glass chiller भी है
We can sprinkle some crystals.
Okay, testing you again. Testing you.
I think we can sprinkle some crystals.
So did you actually make these for the this?
भाई
For the
सर
movie,
नीचे करना
actually, we
भाई
didn't have so much space that we could actually show a lot of chocolates, but I did roll the chocolates in the cocoa powder, which looks really nice.
Which you have to do today
Yes,
also,
yes,
because
we
they
will,
need to
we
see
will.
what you did.
Yeah.
Okay. So अब इसे set करते हैं?
Yes.
So now at this stage the chocolate needs to go for setting in the fridge. तो हम इसे भेज देते हैं. आप लोग ये taste करना चाहेंगे? Everyone?
हाँ,
Yes.
जरूर।
Great. ले जाओ. Set हो जाए. बहुत सारे नम्रता पर chocolate भी बहुत है. Don't worry.
हमने pre-set करके भी रखी हुई है। आप लोगों के लिए।
One thing I must say, she's a very dedicated learner. तो शांति में she's and I remember you used to have a very hectic regime.
Yeah, yeah.
So she was learning, she was doing horse riding, and there was something else.
Swimming, there was
एक और कुछ very vigorous like martial arts you were doing.
Yeah, martial arts.
Exactly. So she had training all of this, and in that day she was doing these simple, nice, and very early chocolates also. And
So I used to start with swimming in the morning, early morning, come to chocolate making in the afternoon, then go for a little bit of martial arts, and then go for horse
So
riding.
basically हम राबता में सायरा के बहुत सारे रूप देखने वाले हैं.
Saira and Saiba actually, which is another life, another time.
Okay. So that's the twist. So we are seeing all of this. तो आप ये सारा देखने वाले हैं. तो multi talented है basically सायरा.
कॉफी के
Yeah.
लिखा
That's nice. Okay, so chocolate का आंसर तो सही था. Full marks on that. Now let's see what we're going to do with it. So हमने ये बना के रखे हैं.
She's already
Ah,
made the
sorry,
laddus because she
sorry.
knew I would start enjoying it too much. So
Okay. So now you want to roll them. We can roll them in cocoa. We've got pistachio. We've got hazelnut.
should I put that in this only?
Yes, in this. Yes.
So this is fairly simple. I'm just going to pick it up. So this is fairly simple. Just simply roll it till it gets fully covered. And you can see these here.
But इसका एक special flavor था that you used to use.
I used to love sea salt caramel chocolates actually, which we talk about, like I talk about as Saira in this film as well. Which is it's got this caramel flavor with chocolate with a little bit of salt. So that was my favorite, and I used to those I never took to Madam. I used to always take them back home and have them myself. So yeah.
So let's see if we can get you some sea salt. If anyone can pass us a sea salt from there, if you'd like to relive those memories.
Sure. I'm excited with the colors right now.
Sure, go ahead. So this looks very simple, guys, but it's very difficult to make truffles. So ये वो पूरा गनाश खुद बनाती थी, and इसे हम पाई पाव करके या लड्डू बना के, you have to set them in the fridge for a very long time. So obviously हम इतनी देर आपको wait नहीं करा सकते, तो हमने ये set करके रखे हैं. They are not as simple as they look. This part is the most simplest, but
But they look beautiful.
yeah, but making is really tough. So that's hazelnut, and then you've got desiccated coconut, and
That's white chocolate.
yeah.
That's so soft, yeah.
Yeah, they become soft because we've been waiting for a while. So don't use the white ones. You could use the other.
पूरी दुकान के लड्डू सब करवा देगी बहुत हो गई
Yeah, because it's become very
We've
soft.
kept it out for a while, no?
That's what happens in Bombay. You can't really make pure chocolate.
Yes. We've learned well, huh?